if I can, like...
Hey, you say you're going to send it to him?
Yeah.
Wash, Brayden, wash! Give him a paper towel and get it out of his eyes.
Move, Jesse.
Here, Brayden.
Huh?
Get it out of your eyes.
That's good. I'm in the shower.
Get your soap out of your eyes.
Jesse wants to shower. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Don't eat nor drop the soap. I need a rag, too,
Here, Brayden.
Get the rag. Okay, hurry up. Are you getting all this on video?
Yes, it's already, I'm already been recording for 36 seconds.
Alright.
No, Brayden, no.
It's too late.
It's too late. Are you just gonna bathe in your clothes?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't want to get arrested.
Obviously not. Oh my God, you put so much soap.
You're singing this to me on Hangouts, alright?
Okay. You're doing a great job.
Yeah.
You're gonna post it to YouTube, aren't you?
Ooh, I'm taking a bath. Oh, What? Open the door and speak
She
words.
said go out there in the grass where she get more like water.
Yes, I am putting this on YouTube and telling every one of my friends. So will all of you.
Go get me an umbrella. I want to get close. You know, I'll just zoom in for now. The quality's horrible.
This is the best shower I've ever taken in my entire life.
Not for you. What you? I told you to go get me an umbrella. There's only one. So then we can share it. Just won't. No. Macy, I'm the one who asked for it first.
Okay, I'm cutting that part out, but
I'm sorry, Jesse. It's okay.
I gotta try to get this out of my hair. Are you kidding? It's starting to stop raining.
You're gonna have to hose it off.
Probably. Asshole.
Don't say that. Don't worry about it.
This is how I get dandruff out of my hair. And rubber for condoms.
Here. It's dripping all over the freaking camera.
So here's my hair now. Is it nice and fabulous?
Yeah, except your neck. It's very,
Alright.
very
Alright,
soapy,
you
don't
can
you
turn it
think?
off now. You can turn it off now.
Okay. I can't hear a thing.
Do you still upload?
What do you mean? Yes, I do.
When?
I haven't uploaded, like, lately.
You haven't uploaded in a few months, Katie.
Oh. Well, I don't really upload that much because I suck at recording. I'm going to start recording with this, though, because it has better quality.
Alright, you can cut it now. So yeah, just a little story behind that. It was raining, and I had run outside to look at where a tree had fallen down. And I came back inside and I made a joke about taking a shower in the rain. And then it escalated. I told my younger cousin to go get the shampoo. She went and got the shampoo, and I decided to go out there just to mess with my grandmother and walk outside and act like it. And then I had the bright idea to actually put the shampoo on my hands and start to shampoo my hair. And then just escalated to my cousins sitting there in the window watching me basically shower in the rain. And, well, it was pretty fun. Can't lie. That's it. I'm Silver Flame. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And that's it. I will see you next time.